Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing great. Today we're taking a small break from AI security. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude Opus 4.8 completely free inside Claude Code. A lot of people want to use the latest Claude models for coding, automation, and development, but the official API can get expensive. So today I'll show you a method that lets you connect Claude Code to a third-party provider and start using Opus 4.8 without spending anything. We'll go through the entire setup process step by step, configure everything prop. You can use my referral link in the description below if you'd like, or you can directly visit freemodel.dev and create an account yourself. A quick heads up before we continue. This is a third-party provider based in China that's currently offering free credits to new users. The free credits should be enough to get started and test things out. If you end up using the service heavily and need additional credits, they also have a referral program that lets users earn more credits through referrals. As always, since this is a third-party provider, make sure you're comfortable with their terms and privacy policy before using it for any sensitive projects or data. After creating your account, you'll need to verify it before you can generate an API key. The platform offers verification through either a mobile number or Telegram. Since most of us don't have a Chinese mobile number, the easiest option is to use Telegram. Just click the Telegram verification option, follow the instructions on the screen, and once the verification is complete, you'll be able to access your dashboard and create your API key. Once you're logged in, head over to the Refer and Earn section in the dashboard. Here you'll find your own unique referral link. Next, navigate to the API Keys section. This is where you'll find the API key you created, or where you can generate a new one if you haven't already. If you get stuck at any point, don't worry. The platform also has a doc section that contains the complete setup guide. You'll find step-by-step instructions on how to connect Claude Code to the provider, configure the API endpoint, add your API key, and start using the available models. If you don't have Claude Code installed yet, you can download it from here. Once you've got it installed, I'll show you exactly how to set everything up. After installing Claude Code, open your terminal and navigate to your .claude directory. For me, it's located right here on my system, but the location may vary depending on your operating system and setup. As you can see, there's a settings.json file in my .claude directory. If you already have this file, great. If you don't see one, don't worry, you can simply create it yourself. Just create a new file called settings.json in the .claude directory. Now we'll need an API key. Go back to the provider's dashboard and open the API Keys section. If you haven't created one yet, click the button to generate a new API key. Make sure to copy and save your API key somewhere secure as soon as it's generated. Now open your settings.json file and paste your API key in the appropriate field. If you're not sure what the configuration should look like, you can find the official example in the docs section of the provider's website. To make things easier, I'll also include the configuration I'm using in the video description. Once you've pasted your API key and finished the configuration, save the settings.json file and close your editor. Now head back to your terminal and simply type Claude and press enter. If everything was configured correctly, Claude Code should start up and automatically use the settings we just added. In a few seconds, you should see the Claude Code interface ready to accept prompts. And that's it. You should now have Claude Code up and running with Opus 4.8. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me create more content like this. As always, most of the content on this channel is focused on AI security, bug bounty hunting, cybersecurity research, and cool projects. So if you're interested in any of those topics, you're definitely going to enjoy the upcoming videos. If you run into any issues during the setup, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out.